Baking soda is useful for so many more things than just making your cakes and cooking food. Have you ever tried cleaning, deodorizing with baking soda, or applying it on your body for additional benefits? Baking soda is the common name for sodium bicarbonate, a processed natural salt that was originally made as a leavening agent for baking, but has since been adopted for a wide range of home uses. It is effervescent, odor neutralizer, and reacts with dirt and grease to form a cleanser. Here are 10 baking soda tricks every woman should know. Number 1. It can be used as a natural deodorant. Baking soda has properties ideal to combat body odor. No need for more expensive products. Baking soda acts as a natural deodorant because it can eliminate the smell of sweat by making an odorless acidic. Lightly pat baking soda under your arms to chill out body odor. Mix 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda and small amount of water. Do not dissolve and make sure it's a little rough. Rub it under your arms and you're good to go. Number 2. Promotes hair growth. Baking soda is an abrasive that makes your hair clean. Using baking soda will help in getting rid of extra dirt from scalp and allow hair to grow long and strong. You can equally use baking soda to get rid of dirt on the scalp and hair strands. This will make it easier for hair to grow long and strong. Just mix equal parts of water and baking soda and put the mixture in a squeeze bottle. Apply it onto the scalp and let it sit for a few minutes before rinsing. Welcome to CMTV5, where we give you tips and tricks on health and wellness that will take you from the life you have to the life you deserve. If you are new here, please like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Number 3. Teeth whitening. You have probably already heard of a baking soda paste for teeth whitening purposes. Many toothpaste brands advertise baking soda as a primary ingredient. The antibacterial properties of baking soda help reduce bacterial plagues that cause tooth decay and gum disease, while its mild abrasive quality helps remove light staining. Therefore, many people will use baking soda as a natural toothpaste. There is some concern, however, that baking soda can be too abrasive for everyday use, although there are plenty of people who swear by it. But even using it from time to time to help polish and whiten teeth is simple and effective. Mix a little baking soda with a few drops of water to make a thick paste. Wet brush, coat teeth with paste, cover with paste, brush gently and rinse well. Number 4. Remove stretch marks. Stretch marks happen when your skin changes shape rapidly due to growth or weight gain. Both men and women can get stretch marks, whether it's due to pregnancy or sudden weight gain. Since baking soda is a natural exfoliant, it removes dead skin cells. The mixture of baking soda and lemon juice has proven to be an effective and quick way to remove stretch marks. Regular massage with this mixture will make your body's tissues regenerate faster. Mix 3 tablespoons of baking soda with the juice of half a lemon and use that to massage the affected areas. Number 5. Treat insect bites and itchy skin. You might have seen someone rubbing toothpaste on an insect bite, and you were wondering why. That is because the baking soda inside treats and reduces itching. Baking soda or sodium bicarbonate is a base, so it helps counteract the acidity of the reaction between your body and the saliva from the insect, thereby helping the body to neutralize the reaction and keep it from spreading and irritating. Make a paste out of baking soda and water and apply it to the insect bite. A baking soda paste can help loosen the stinger from bee stings and can also be used as a salve to treat poison ivy rash. To ease the itching, rub baking soda onto damp skin after a shower. Number 6. Treat sunburn. Baking soda works for burns because it can help balance the pH levels in your skin. pH is a scale used to specify how acidic or basic a water-based solution is. According to WebMD, baking soda contains properties that can help soothe the redness that is caused by itching and the stinging sensation caused by sunburn. There are many over-the-counter products that include baking soda, but you can make your paste out of baking soda or take a bath and add it to the water. Mix baking soda with just enough water to form a paste and apply to the affected area. Then rinse or sprinkle some in a cool bath and soak. Number 7. Body scrub. Most of us need a little exfoliation from time to time. Excess dead skin cells can accumulate on the top layer of the dermis, causing dullness, build-up, and even hinders product absorption. Baking soda scrub is an enemy of microbes and dirt that make our skin rough, irritated, and dark. It treats acne, razor bumps, blackheads, and hydrates skin. Not only will you be saving money by using baking soda, but also the environment. Create a baking soda paste and gently apply to your body in a circular motion. Number 8. Freshen your mouth. Bad breath, medicinally called halitosis, can be caused by bacteria in mouth, infections of the tonsils, digestive system issues, dry mouth, smoking, improper brushing, and certain foods like onions and garlic. Bad breath is quite embarrassing and can leave you with low confidence. You can treat this condition with baking soda. Neutralize the odor in your mouth by putting 1 teaspoon of baking soda in a small glass. Swirl around your mouth, spit it out, and rinse. Number 9. Removes carpet stains. If you have pets, you may find that smells cling to the carpet. Give carpets a refresher with simple basic baking soda. Baking soda can deodorize your carpet and neutralize odors. According to an article published in the US National Library of Medicine, when you combine baking soda and vinegar, it creates a compound called carbon acid. This ingredient is common in cleaning products. Together, they create a fizzing sensation that seeps into carpet and removes the stains. Grab a box of baking soda and sprinkle it liberally over your carpets. Allow the baking soda to sit as long as you can. Leave it overnight for maximum power. Once you're ready, vacuum up the baking soda as best as you can. You'll find that your carpet feels completely new and smells are gone. Number 10. Unblock your kitchen sink. Minor plumbing issues such as clogged drains can cost hundreds of dollars if you choose to involve professionals. Baking soda is always preferable to using a chemical drain cleaner. Pour half a cup of baking soda down your sink, followed by 2 cups of vinegar. And watch as the alkaline in the bicarb reacts with the acidic vinegar to create a volcano of frost. Leave to settle and it should help dissolve any build-up grime. There is no doubt about the necessity of baking soda in our homes because it can be used in various occasions, but it is advisable to see a doctor before applying baking soda on your body. Are there other important tips we missed in this video? Please, if there is, do not hesitate to share with us in the comment section. And if this video was helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this.